Once upon a time, there was a dog who was always hungry. One day, while wandering around the village, he came across a butcher's shop. The butcher was busy cutting meat, and the dog quietly grabbed a juicy bone from the counter and ran away. The dog was overjoyed with his prize and decided to find a quiet place to enjoy it. He ran through the streets, past the fields, and finally reached a small bridge over a river. As he crossed the bridge, he looked down into the water and saw something surprising. He saw another dog in the river holding a bone that looked even bigger and juicier than his own. The greedy dog thought, "That dog has a bigger bone than mine. I must have it." Without realizing that it was just his own reflection, he barked at the other dog. But as he opened his mouth to bark, his bone fell out and splashed into the river. The greedy dog was shocked. He jumped into the water to retrieve the bone, but it had sunk to the bottom. Wet and shivering, the dog climbed out of the river, realizing that his greed had left him with nothing.